Alright, in this video today we're going to be installing or replacing this timer switch for the barbecue grill here. The timer switch is located right here inside this box, and this one has just gone bad, so we're going to change that thing out. So first thing we want to do is turn the power off. So I located my breaker panel here. These are labeled. I'm just going to go and turn those off. I do know which one it is. I just turn it off just like that. Okay, we're going to take these screws out here. There's one here on the bottom and the top that kind of hold this faceplate in. I'm going to try to do this with one hand today. Now those screws, it's going to loosen them up because I should be able to get this this box. There we go, there's one, there's the other one. Okay, just have this other screw. Yeah, that switch cover has some slide to the screw holes there, so you can just slide it out. Okay, so now we have it out, and we already have this old one wired up. We're gonna wire it exactly the same way, but I do want to confirm that the power is off, so let me grab my multimeter. So I've got my Klein CL320 multimeter here, and put it to volts. This works as like a detector. Alright, it looks like we're good because I know this is my power coming in. So I think we do have the power turned off. Alright. Now we're just gonna rewire this thing exactly the way the old one was. Black is where the power is coming in at. Yep, alright, let's wire this thing up. So it looks like this one, your line or load can be on either wire. And this white wire here is my neutral. So, alright. So we're just going to disconnect each wire. Okay. So yeah, this red wire here, that's my power coming into the box and into this switch. And the other wire, the black wire, is the one that's going into the gas valve. And then it'll click that gas valve on for the set amount of time. This way, if you have somebody leave the gas on, it'll automatically cut off. Because people do forget. We got everything wired up. Now let's get this back in the box. I want to try to tuck these in pretty neatly because there's not a whole lot of room in this box. There never is, right? My situation is meant to be a little loose like that, the way this cover works, so let's see if I can get this back on. Sweet. And we're just tightening these up. Alright, so we got it hooked up, connected, the cover's back on. Now let's go turn our power back on. Alright, let's test it out. If it's good, we should hear a click. Yep. So you see that allows you to set your gas for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or even just 10 minutes. And then this will turn it off here at the bottom. Alright, well, that was it. Pretty quick and simple. If you guys like that, please like and subscribe, and thank you again for watching the video.